Today, we're going to tackle a topic that's often shrouded in mystery and controversy: male energy, specifically testosterone. What's the dark truth about this hormone that's often associated with aggression, dominance, and masculinity? Let's dive in and find out. Testosterone is often referred to as the male hormone, but it's not just limited to men. Women also produce testosterone, albeit in smaller amounts. This hormone plays a crucial role in our physical and emotional development, influencing everything from muscle mass to libido. But here's the thing: testosterone is a double-edged sword. While it can drive motivation, confidence, and competitiveness, it can also fuel aggression, violence, and dominance. Research has shown that high levels of testosterone are linked to increased aggression and violence. This is because testosterone activates the brain's reward system, releasing feel-good chemicals like dopamine. But when this system is overactivated, it can lead to impulsivity, recklessness, and a lack of empathy. This is why we often see a correlation between high testosterone levels and violent behavior, particularly in men. But testosterone's dark truth doesn't stop there. High levels of testosterone have also been linked to mental health issues like anxiety, depression, and even psychosis. This is because testosterone can disrupt the balance of other hormones in the body, leading to mood swings, irritability, and emotional instability. And when left unchecked, these issues can have devastating consequences, including suicidal thoughts and behaviors. So what's driving this dark truth about male energy? Is it just a matter of biology, or is there something more at play? The answer lies in the complex interplay between biology, society, and culture. From a young age, boys are socialized to conform to traditional masculine norms, which often emphasize aggression, dominance, and competition. This can lead to a toxic cycle of testosterone-fueled behavior, where men feel pressure to constantly prove themselves and assert their dominance. The dark truth about male energy is that it's complex, multifaceted, and often misunderstood. While testosterone plays a crucial role in our physical and emotional development, it's not the only factor at play. By acknowledging the interplay between biology, society, and culture, we can begin to break free from the toxic cycles of testosterone-fueled behavior and create a more balanced, compassionate, and equitable world.